students, today topic is angle between the straight lines. Lesson number 6. If m1 and m2 be the slope of the two straight lines, then the angle between the two lines is tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, or theta is equal to tan inverse of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. The condition for the parallel lines is two slopes are equal. Two straight lines are given, then first line slope is equal to second line slope. The condition for the two straight lines are perpendicular to each other. The product of the slopes will be minus 1. Next, distance formula. Let the distance between the two straight lines. First, let us develop the formula to find the distance formula. 2-point formula. A point and a straight line, two parallel lines. First, the distance between the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. From the point P of x1 y1 to the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c whole divided by square root of coefficient of x term whole square plus a coefficient of y term whole square. Subdivision number 3. The distance between the two parallel lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a1x plus b1y plus c2 is equal to 0. The constants are differ is equal to 0. Then the distance between the two straight lines is modulus of c2 minus z1 whole divided by square root of a square plus b square. Now ex number 6.3, sum number 1. So that then lines 3x plus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0 and 12x plus 8y minus 15 is equal to 0 are parallel lines. First, let us take the two straight lines. 3x plus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0 and 12x plus 8y minus 15 is equal to 0. Take first line. The slope of the first line is equal to minus coefficient of x term divided by coefficient of y term. Minus coefficient of x term is 3, minus 3, divided by the coefficient of y term is 2. So m1 is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Next is slope of the second straight line 12x plus 8y minus 15 is equal to 0. The same formula, minus coefficient of x term divided by coefficient of y term. Coefficient of x term is 12. So minus 12 divided by coefficient of y term is 8. So minus 12 divided by 8 is minus 3 by 2. In this case, slope m1 is equal to slope m2. Slope of the first straight line is equal to slope of the second straight line. So these two straight lines show the equation of the straight line parallel to 5x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0 and having x intercept is 3. The equation of any line parallel to the given line 5x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0 is 5x minus 4y is equal to this 3 is some constant k. Okay. The intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to one other form. In this case 5x minus 4y is equal to k. Divide through by k on both sides. We have 5x minus 4y divided by k is equal to one other form. This can be written as x divided by k by 5 plus y divided by k by minus 4. Now x intercept is 3 is given. X intercept is k by 5. K by 5 will be 3 means k by 5 is equal to 3 means cross multiplying we get k is equal to 15. 5 3s are 15. Substitute k is equal to 15 in equation number 1. We have 5x minus 4y is equal to 15 or 5x minus 4y minus 15 is equal to 0. Question number 3. Find the distance between the lines 4x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and a point number 1 minus 2 comma 4 and then subdivision number 2 7 comma point minus 2 comma 4 and a straight line. the distance between the line 4x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and the point minus 2 comma 4 is modulus of minus 4 positive 4 into substitute x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4. So 4 into minus 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 whole divided by square root of 4 square plus 3 square. 4 2s are minus 8 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 divided by 5, 8 divided by 5 is answer. Solution number 2, the distance between the line 4x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and the point 7 comma minus 3 is substitute x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 3 in the equation 4x plus 3y plus 4 and whole divided by square root of coefficient of x term whole square plus coefficient of y term whole square. So the modulus of 4 7s are 28, 28 minus 9 plus 4 whole divided by 25, 25 means 5. Next, modulus of 19 plus 4 whole divided by 5. So 19 plus 4 is 23, 23. Therefore, write the equation of the lines through the point 1 comma minus 1. Subdivision number 1 parallel to the straight line x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Number 2, the perpendicular to the straight line 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. Subdivision number 1. Let the straight line be x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Slope of the straight line is minus coefficient of x term divided by coefficient of y term minus coefficient of x term is 1 whole divided by coefficient of y term is 3. So minus 1 by 3. The point is 1 comma minus. The equation of the straight line is y minus 1 point form y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here m is equal to minus 1 by 3. The point x1 comma y1 is 1 comma minus 1. Y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 of x minus 1. Cross multiplying we get 3 into y plus 1 is 3y plus 3 is equal to minus of x minus 1 is minus x plus 1. So arranging we get x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Subdivision number 2. Let the equation of the straight line is 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. Slope of the straight line is minus coefficient of x term divided by coefficient of y term minus coefficient of x term is 3. So minus 3 whole divided by 4. The perpendicular slope is minus 1 by m is formula. Apply minus 1 divided by the slope minus 3 by 4. We get 4 by 3. The equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Now the point x1 y1 is 1 comma minus 1. Perpendicular slope is 4 by 3. Apply y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. This equation we have y plus 1 is equal to 4 by 3 into x minus 1. Cross multiplying we get 3y plus 3 is equal to 4 into x minus 1. 4 into x minus 1 is 4x minus 4. Arranging we get 4x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the straight line. Question number 6 will find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines 4x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 5x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. First let us take the two straight lines. Question number 1 through the point minus 1 comma 2. Next parallel to the straight line x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Number 3 perpendicular to the straight line x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. First we have to take the two straight lines. The two straight lines 4x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 5x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. First to find the point of intersection of the two straight lines. So the equation number 1 multiplied by 2 we get 8x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Equation number 2 multiplied by 1 we get the same equation 5x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Adding we get 2y minus 2y cancelled. We get 8 plus 5 is 13x. 13x is equal to minus 13. So x is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 4 plus 3. So y is equal to minus 1. The point of intersection of the two straight lines is at minus 1 comma minus 1. First case number 1, the point of intersection point is minus 1 comma 1. The given point is minus 1 comma 2. find the slope. Slope m is equal to 2 points are given. Slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 formula. Here x1 y1 is minus 1 comma minus 1. X2 y2 is minus 1 comma positive 2. Apply the slope formula. We get 2 minus of minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by, now 2 minus of minus 1 is plus 3 divided by minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Anything by 0 is infinity. Infinity 3 is infinity. Therefore the equation of the straight line x is equal to minus 1 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Subdivision number 2, the equation of the line x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 is parallel to the line x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Equation number 1. The passing through the point is given by minus 1 comma. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 to y is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. We have k is equal to 0. Substitute k is equal to 0 in equation number 1. We have x minus y is equal to 0. Second part of the result is over. Now subdivision number 3, let the equation of the line be x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Slope m is equal to minus coefficient of x term divided by coefficient of y term is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 2. Minus of minus positive, therefore 1 by 2. Perpendicular slope is using the formula minus 1 by m minus 1 divided by 1 by 2 is minus 2. The equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to 1.1. The equation of the line is perpendicular line in this case. Minus y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Apply perpendicular slope and the point A. We get y plus 1 is equal to minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to minus 2x minus 2. Arranging we get 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to question number 7. Find the equation of the straight line which are parallel to the lines 12x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0 and at a unit distance. Unit distance means 1 unit from the point 1 comma minus 1. We know that any line parallel to the given line 12x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0 is 12x plus 5y, the constant term is k, is equal to 0. The distance from 1 comma minus 1 to the straight line 12x plus 5y plus k is equal to 0 is unity. Unity means 1. Therefore plus or minus 2 into 12 into substitute x is 1 plus 5 into substitute y is minus 1 plus k whole divided by square root of coefficient of x term whole square plus coefficient of y term whole square is equal to 1. Now 12 into 1 is 12. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 plus k whole divided by root of 144 plus 25 is 169. 169. Taking square root we have 7 plus k divided by 13 is equal to 1 plus or minus 7 plus k divided by 13 is equal to 1 means plus 7 plus k divided by 13 is equal to 1 and minus of 7 plus k 13 is equal to 1. Now take positive side. 7 plus k is equal to 13. K is equal to 13 minus 7 is 6. Negative side minus k plus 7 is equal to 13. Minus 7 minus k is equal to 13. K is equal to minus 7 minus 13 is minus 20. Hence the two lines are 12x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0 or next straight line 12x plus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. Put k is equal to 6, put k is equal to minus 20. We get to find the equation of the straight line which are perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0 and are at a distance of 4 units. And are at a distance of 4 units from 2 comma 1. Any line or any straight line perpendicular to the given line is given line 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0 is 4x minus 3y plus some constant is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. This passing through the point 2 comma 1, substitute x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, we get the value of k. The value of k is in this case given the distance of 4x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0 from the given point is 4 units is given. Therefore plus or minus 4 into 2 minus 3 into 1 plus k whole divided by square root of 4 square coefficient of x term whole square plus coefficient of y term whole square is equal to 4. Now plus or minus 8 minus 3 plus k divided by 5 is equal to 4, plus or minus 5 plus k divided by 5 is equal to 4, plus or minus 5 plus k, cross multiplying we get 20. Now take positive side, 5 plus k is equal to 20, k is equal to 20 minus 5 is 15. Next, negative side, minus of 5 plus k is equal to 20, minus 5 minus k is equal to 20, k is equal to 25. Substitute k is equal to 25 and k is equal to 15 in equation number 1. We get the two straight lines, 4x minus 3y plus 15 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y minus 25. Find the equation of the straight line parallel to 2x plus 3y is equal to 10, and which is such that the sum of its intercepts on the curve is 15. Now any line parallel to the given line is, given line 2x plus 3y is equal to 10 is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Equation number 1. Substitute k is equal to 10 is equal to the constant number is equal to k. The equation of the intercept form is 2x divided by k plus 3y plus divided by k is equal to 1. Why take this equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k, divide throughout by k on both sides, we get 2x plus 3y whole divided by k is equal to 1. Now individual division will be taken, therefore 2x by k plus 3y by k is equal to 1. 2x divided by k can be written in the form of x divided by k by 2 plus 3y divided by k can be written in the form of y divided by k divided by 3 is equal to 1. Now the sum of the two intercepts, x intercept and y intercept, will be 15 is given. Therefore x intercept is k by 2 plus y intercept is k by 3 is equal to 15. Now cross multiplying we get 3k plus 2k whole divided by 6 is equal to 15. 3k plus 2k is 5k, 5k divided by 6 is equal to 15. Cancelling the numerator, 1 5 is 5, 3 5 are 15. Cross multiplying we get k is equal to 18. Substitute k is equal to 18 in equation number 1. We have 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. This means 2x plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Yes. Today homework, EX number 6.3, sum number 5 and 10. These two problems are homework. Any doubt, reply the message. Thank you.